Hi everyone. Glad to meet you virtually. Many of you I know personally because I'm working at PortaOne since 2008. And many of you met me before in my career in support or maybe in the project management. And today's topic is professional services. My goal and the goal of this presentation is to synchronize the vision about the professional services. So by the end of this presentation, you will understand how we at PortaOne envision professional services, why do communication service providers need professional services from PortaOne, and what does the success look like? How do we know that we provide actually successfully professional services to the customers? These are extremely good questions, and we'll find out the answers today. Usually our customers, CSPs, ITSPs, MNOs, and MVNOs, need professional services when they want to launch something new, some new product or new service, or they want to expand into some areas where they didn't have any business expertise before. Let's consider some examples. For instance, an ISP wants to start providing mobile services to the subscribers by adding another service to the portfolio, Fixed LTE, right? ISP may have a good experience in building radio links or maybe physical links, but may not have an idea about PCRF, PCAF, packet gateways, and other mobile core equipment. The provider may not have a complete vision of how to build and launch such a service, how to ship it to the end users and get happy millions or thousands of subscribers. Throughout the build and launch process, you constantly need to make decisions. You need to plan your activities for a week, make decisions on what should you focus on. These decisions influence what your product will look like and definitely will influence the end user experience. Our professional services can help you with making these decisions because with professional services, we will have a team from PortaOne experienced in billing, in online charging, and the team that knows how we usually solve these or that types of tasks. When we speak about launching some new services in an area where you didn't have any expertise, this guy, Antonio Ferrara, comes to my mind. He's a blind skateboarder. He could feel what's around him only by using this device, white cane. When you launch something new in an area with zero expertise, your team will learn a lot through bumping into objects around. So I think that this is a very good example. Classical uncertainty is related to interfaces or the APIs. The quality of information helps you with the informed decisions. One of our customers thought that they will receive a SIP trunk, and in reality, they received the ISC interface, a very specific SIP-like interface. And if you don't have any experience, it's hard to assess feasibility of the successful launch. If you worked with only SIP trunks before, you may not realize the challenges and benefits of this interface ISC, because it's a completely new domain of knowledge for you. Sometimes it may be a challenge of online versus offline. MNO provides offline charging, while you as an MVNO want to charge online. And your business model, your products require online charging. For example, for prepaid model. Right? So if you need to do feasibility study before the launch, this is also something we can help you with. And one more case, the completeness of the API. So you may think that the API provided by your provider will be enough for building some super perfect end user experience, while the API may not be complete. Or for instance, APIs from the provider are complete, but they are connected to some asynchronous system that is not responsive and doesn't allow you to implement some nice and beauty front ends. All in all, when launching something new, you need to learn a lot. And that's why PortaOne offers the expertise, offers teams who will learn with you and will apply best of their knowledge and expertise obtained from the similar projects. When you launch something new, usually your part needs to be very flexible, and you need to be 100% agile. That's why we try to delay the decisions or to make your part flexible so that you can make important decisions later on. For instance, keeping product offerings flexible, or keeping business processes flexible, or choosing the right level of automation, what you need to automate from day one, and what will happen in the phase 2 or phase 3. Flexibility in defining an MVP will help you to launch earlier. And this is my favorite slide. Modern telco services unite numerous systems, and business processes end-to-end involve multiple systems and actors. When you launch something new, usually it requires building some new business processes, or maybe interacting with some other systems. All of a sudden, you realize that you need a new sign-up or a new activation process involving 5 different new systems. Your new sign-up portal, your CRM, your accounting platform, online shop, PortaBilling, of course. And when there are all these new systems, new business processes, PortaOne can help you with integrating PortaBilling or PortaSwitch with the other systems, because we know how these systems usually integrate and what kind of interfaces, events, data structures PortaBilling has. For us, it's a great fun to embed PortaOne products into the provider's ecosystem. So even if you have specialists in PortaBilling, you may benefit from PortaOne's professional services. Many customers like PortaOne enjoy dealing with PortaOne engineers because we are open and straightforward, easy to communicate, and easy to deal with. However, our professional services most likely will not help you to fix something in the head of your MNO. Or, for instance, motivate your sales team to get rid of the obsolete products. Most likely, our services won't help you to manage mobile core equipment, your some network equipment, or your gateways. Still, there are many things which we can help you with, because we are specialists in PortaBilling and PortaSwitch, and we can help you with using our products more efficiently. So all in all, we all work for the success of the operators, for the providers like you, for our customers, regardless of where on this slide you are, whether you are MNO or MVNO, voice service provider, ISP or ITSP, satellite, IoT. We all work for your success, and we want you to be successful as a business, as an enterprise. So scan this QR code if you would like to get in touch with me about some new projects or new products you want to bring to the market. If you have any questions or suggestions, let's keep in touch. So you can book a meeting and we'll discuss new stuff with you. I'll be happy to help you.